Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. And comes equipped with
Preferred Equipment Group 1LZ,
navigation,
OnStar,
third row seating, side blind zone alert,
Entertainment and Destinations Package,
nav traffic,
heated second row seats, heavy duty trailering package,
heated rear seats,
and much more.
saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.